Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Suzuki SX4 and I will show you how to remove and replace the battery. This video will apply to Suzuki SX4s made from 2006 all the way up to 2013. Now the battery on these vehicles is located under the front hood. It's very easy accessible. It's right here. Now before you can disconnect the terminals, first you have to remove the battery holder which is on top of the battery. So you will need a 10mm long socket or a 10mm wrench key. Okay, so once you get the holder off the way, you don't even have to completely remove it. You can just unscrew one side and then remove that nut and the rod, right? It's up to you. If you want, you can completely remove this nut as well and then completely remove this piece or just get it off the way. But once that is done, now remember, when disconnecting the battery terminals, you always first want to disconnect the negative battery terminal and then the positive one. And when you're installing the new battery in, always first connect the positive, then the negative, just to avoid any kind of shorts. Now to unscrew the battery terminal, again you will need a 10mm socket with a ratchet or a wrench key. Now the thing here, you don't have to completely remove this nut, you just want to loosen it up enough so you can wiggle the terminal off of the pole, right? And once you do the negative, you can do the positive the same way. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Once you have disconnected everything, you can lift up the battery and install the new battery. Now there is one more thing I will mention. Now sometimes these terminals, if the battery wasn't removed for a long time, they get quite stuck, and in that case what you might have to do, you might have to try and pry the terminal with a flat screwdriver underneath and then wiggle it to get it off. And the worst case scenario, you can always also try tapping with a flat screwdriver and a hammer just here between this opening to get it loose and then wiggle it off. Yes, sometimes it can be a bit of a hassle to remove this, but usually all you have to do, just loosen up these nuts and then wiggle it off. And one more time I will repeat, when disconnecting the battery, always first disconnect the negative, then the positive. When connecting it back again, first connect the positive, then the negative. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.